Hello. It's been a bit. I kind of had surgery last week and I've been recovering. I haven't felt like getting out. So sorry I haven't put puppy pictures up but we got some really cute puppies. I had to get some today. And I just let them out and they are just going crazy. Not too crazy. They're adorable. But anyway, this is Hope's litter. I think it's Hope and Zorro. Come here, one. Come here. Come here. Hi. And we got a sock and another little one. They found a blanket and some flowers. Anyway, they're so cute. Playing tug of war right now. And they're gonna tie me up. Hi, little one. Let's see if I can get them to come run to me. Anyway, sorry it's been a while. Let's see if we can get them to come over here. Hey, pups. Hi. Hello. Hello. Here, pups. Here, pups. Hi. Hello. Hello. Here, pups. Here, pups. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. They are so cute. Beautiful coloring on them. Like they kind of are white, but then they have like this golden top on them. And that's Zorro's a little bit reddish, kind of a gold color. But anyway, they're sure cute pups. Here, pup. Here, puppies. Here, puppies. Here, puppies. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here you go. Here you go. And off they go. Hey, pups. Here, pups. Too far away. They can't hear me. Hey, pups. Hey, pups. Hello. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello, honey. Come here. Let's hold you. Say hi. Say hi. Yep. They're beautiful. Anyway, come see us. We got lots of little pups right now. So see you later. Bye.